Integrating Gorgias with Shopify is a straightforward process that can help you manage customer support and improve your overall customer experience. To start, you need to have a Gorgias account and a Shopify store. First, log into your Gorgias account and navigate to the integrations page. Search for Shopify and click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you need to click on the Install button to install the Gorgias app. After installing the app, you will be redirected back to Gorgias where you need to authorize the connection by clicking on the Authorize button. This will connect your Shopify store to your Gorgias account. Once the integration is complete, you can start using Gorgias to manage customer support for your Shopify store. You can view customer orders, respond to customer inquiries, and resolve issues all from within the Gorgias dashboard. To take full advantage of the integration, you should also set up the Gorgias chat widget on your Shopify store. This will allow customers to contact you directly from your store and will enable you to provide support in real time. In addition to the chat widget, you can also use Gorgias to automate certain support tasks, such as sending automated responses to common customer inquiries. This can help you save time and improve the efficiency of your customer support operations. Overall, integrating Gorgias with Shopify is a simple process that can have a significant impact on your customer support operations. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and functionality of the integration, you can provide better support to your customers and improve your overall customer experience. It is also important to note that Gorgias provides a range of customization options and settings that you can use to tailor the integration to your specific needs. For example, you can customize the chat widget to match your brand, and you can set up custom workflows and automation rules to suit your support processes. By leveraging the power of Gorgias and Shopify, you can create a seamless and effective customer support experience that drives customer satisfaction and loyalty.